So, hey guys, I know I haven't uploaded in a long time, but today I'm gonna upload. Yee, I'm so- So today I like to do what I love. Best. I'm gonna expose a scammer, floral, which do we had a deal that she was going to give me three VIP tickets because my VIP turn about to end. She was gonna give me three VIP tickets for my other account because I just want this account, not that one. This. So this is my new account. So since no one wanted to go first, I suggested we split three. So I gave her the password. She came on the account. Then she started messaging me, telling me that she won't take the account because it has an email. So I was confused, and I told her that that's how we're going to split three. That then she's saying that she has to send um like one or two VIP tickets, then I'll change the email. Yeah, I give this. So yeah, well I give when the real owner took this a long time ago. So because I want this account just yesterday. I'm so excited. So that was what we agreed. Then imagine her then taking a gift from this account and sending it to herself. Then when I told her that she's a scammer, that why would she do that? She told me that she did, and then she blocked me. But you can see right here, this is the proof. You can see right here that this user has blocked you. And then her GB is full of so nice, so much nice thing that people think to trust her. So guys, remember, don't ever trade with flower wishes. Block her, report her. Thank you so much. And so now I was messaging her. So yeah, truth is I don't really care because to me that pant was just useless. But she if you guys trade it out, she may take something you care about. So this is just like a warning to you guys not to trade with her. So you guys, can you please help me to spam her guest book with what camera? Because that's kind of what I'm gonna do it a couple more times. So people will know not to scam her. That is people that don't actually watch this video. And yeah, so that'll do for now until after this video I come back. Okay, so as you guys can tell, I'm in level 20. um yeah, So I'm gonna be giving a shout out to those people who helped me. First, Unicorn Pinky Girl in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we also have Hot Funny Girl. I really, 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 really want to give her a shout out because she's the one who gave me those accounts. She gave me like 8 VIP accounts or something. Then um Charlotte Avery. I'm just randomly giving her. Then we also have lots of them. I've got that person 880. She's the one who bought me VIP. Then we have Olivia Amber for giving me over 5 great. Thank you so much, Amber. Then mm, I think that's it. So anyway, if you guys want to be my shout out, all you have to do is subscribe, like the video, message me, then I'll give you. I'm even going to be giving out wish list soon because I know I don't really have that much, but I've got enough money to just buy random people's list. So message me if you want, and please like, subscribe, share. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. I'm going to this trash.